So the Main Choice said that this boosting kit is just the boost that I need to take my hair to the next level. So y'all know I couldn't wait to try this. As you can see, I would probably scare your children and their friends with this hair. It's looking a hot mess. I got dandruff falling all over the place. It's shedding and buildup is falling in my lap. At this point, I'm ready to just put it in a ponytail and tackle it another day, but I know that I cannot let this go on any longer. And I remember I have the boosting kit by the Main Choice. We've all been there when we're just distraught, really trying to figure out what we're going to do with our hair, and all it needs is just a boost. So I'm going to start by opening this bad boy up and prepare myself for step one. This is the Mocha and Molasses Anti-Shedding Remedy. Now this product goes on prior to shampooing your hair. So begin by placing your hair into sections so you can really work the Mocha and Molasses through. Now if you didn't know, now you know. Molasses strengthens and reduces shedding. Coffee helps to stimulate and rejuvenate hair follicles. And circling back to the Main Choice Boosting Kit, it is to be used in conjunction with your healthy hair regimen when your hair just needs that extra boost. So this was honestly very easy to incorporate into my healthy hair regimen. I do try my best to take care of my hair as best as I can. So I love that this is great for anti-shedding, for dry brittle hair. It's something that I try to pride myself on and making sure that that does not happen. And the Main Choice Boosting Kit is there to do the same. So I left the anti-shedding remedy on for 30 minutes and then I rinsed it out and continued with my regular routine of shampooing and conditioning. Step 3, out of the Main Choice Boosting Kit, I moved on to the Silk Amino Acid and Keratin Reconstructive Treatment. Now this is to be used if your hair is damaged, chemically color treated, and or in need of strengthening. I was in need of strengthening. Now this is gentle enough for protein sensitive hair. The Silk Amino Acids rebuild the strands and minimize moisture loss. Keratin strengthens and reduces breakage. And pretty much all I heard is this is good stuff for my hair and is guaranteed to take my hair to the next level. And I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes with heat. Running it back, we used the anti-shedding remedy, we shampooed and conditioned our hair, and moved on to the reconstructive treatment. Now, all of the products within the collection can be used individually or collectively as needed. I did not need to use the rehydration therapy, but it's great for if you need that highly concentrated dose of hydration or your dehydrated, lifeless hair needs to be revived. Last but not least, to wrap up my healthy hair regimen, we're moving on to the Triglyceride and Mint Scalp Renewal. So you'll apply this after shampooing and conditioning to a clean scalp. And be sure not to rinse this out. This felt so amazing on my scalp and very therapeutic. And I'm sure you guys know that a healthy scalp leads on to healthy hair. So I'm a big fan of mint, and if you didn't know, it purifies, reduces itching and flakes, and balances pH. So if you have eczema, dandruff, or any other type of conditions in that nature, this will be great for you. Now that I've gotten the boost that I needed from the Main Choice Boosting Kit, I moved on to my styling, which is my fave, the perm rod set. So I'm going to just add perm rods throughout my entire head, and I just sectioned off the top, which is my bun, because we're going to do a cute little curly bun on this thick and healthy hair. So my hair is feeling mighty strong. There is no type of shedding going on. It looks so healthy. And once I am done adding all of my perm rods to the lower half, I'm going to begin to add the perm rods to my ponytail. My hair is strengthened, it is shiny, it is not dull, it is not shedding. It looks really good and really healthy. And I must say the Main Choice Boosting Kit did not steer me wrong. Now, if you're ready to take your healthy hair regimen to the next level as well, the Main Choice Boosting Kit is now available at select Walgreens. Get to know more about The Main Choice at www.themainchoice.com and be sure to check them out on social media at The Main Choice. And as always, queens, I hope you get the same results or even better. See you next time.